QNT at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move after losing a key area of support above the $78 and also losing the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which was previously acting as support. And at the time of this recording, we are holding above a key area of support above the $69.1. And on today's video, I will be discussing the significant key areas of support that we need to continue holding in this breakdown move. And above all, discuss my long-term price prediction analysis. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 6th of September. You can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, where we managed to break above a key area of resistance over here, flipping it back into support in a move that gave us a high above the $81. And in my previous videos, I said to you that we need to continue holding above our key area of support above the $78, and also say to you that the moment we see a break to the lower side of this ascending trend line, that will be the first indication that we have started to see a change of structure of this upward movement, and that will be the start of a short-term pullback here on the QNT chart. And using the Fibonacci, I gave you the minimum pullback target areas by pulling the fibs from the lows that we made down there to the high above the $81, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the golden pocket that lies between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $68.5 and the $65.6, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts. And I'm expecting that QNT is going to fully maximize this area over here, continue holding within the area, since the area should also act as support. And as long as we continue holding within the area, then we can easily see another bounce back, manage to break above key areas of resistances in a move that can easily get us back above the $90. And remember that if you want to take a trade on QNT, you can check out BitGet, which is my go-to exchange, and all you need to have for you to register for a BitGet account is an email address. Alternatively, you can use your mobile number to register for an account. And getting back to the charts, I have said to you that once we fully maximize this area over here, we need to continue holding within the area. And if by any chance we break to the lower side of the area, then I will be expecting further breakdown moves in a move that can easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September on the worst case scenario. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. Taking a look at the daily chart, on the daily chart, I believe that we got our bear market lows below the $40, and we managed to see a very nice bounce to the upside in a 5-wave structure in a move that peaked above the $229, completing this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we peaked in that Elliot wave count 1, we started a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And there are also high chances that we have a low in place for the second wave, and in the next coming months and maybe weeks, we are going to start an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $353.5, which is an area that I'm expecting QNT will easily maximize in this bull market, give us a wave 4 and take us to new all-time highs in this Elliot wave count 5 over here. But I also need to caution you on areas that we need to continue holding in the next coming days before we start this impulsive Elliot wave count 3. And that area can be given by pulling the fibs from the bear market lows to the high above the $229, giving me this area over here, where you can see that the minimum retracement area for the second wave is between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and the fib level 0.88 is the last line of support here on the Fibonacci, and that lies above the $63.7. So in the next coming hours, we need to continue holding above the $63.7, because if by any chance we lose that key area of support once again, then there are high chances that we can easily see a total breakdown move here on the QNT chart, in a move that can easily give us a reset of the bear market lows below the $40, and that is the worst case scenario that we need to have in mind. And that is all I'm expecting to play out here on the QNT chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.